Welcome back. Let's get started with the first topic, that is what is the difference between brain and mind. When we talk about brain, we need to understand that the brain exists inside our skull. It is kind of muscular structure and it is of the shape of similar to a walnut. But when we talk about the human mind, actually human mind is the software that is running inside this brain. Once I was talking to a doctor who is a highly qualified neurologist. So I asked him that what exactly is human mind according to neuroscience. So his answer was a brain in function can be understood as mind. That means brain exists inside a dead person also, but it is not functional. When a brain is functional, that means thoughts, feelings, memories, beliefs, values, everything is running inside the brain, then you can call it the mind, right? So brain is the hardware part and mind is the software part. And there is one good news. There is no difference between your brain and the brain of Bill Gates or Jeff Bezos. We all have similar kind of brain. In NLP, we say that we are born with the same neurology. That means we have same neurology. The number of neurons that we have in our brain, the potential that we have in our brain is almost similar in every human being. Still, we create different levels of results. So why this happens? We need to understand that although we have similar brain, but we do not have similar minds. All the beliefs, values, past experience, all those things that we have experienced in our life and we have created our thinking, our thought process, our beliefs, our belief system, all these things are different in different people. A unsuccessful person has different kind of beliefs and values. An average person has different kind of beliefs and values. A successful person has totally different kind of beliefs and values. So the difference is in the human mind. Now let me ask you a simple question. Suppose you have a latest laptop, right? You have a Windows laptop which is latest. It has the most advanced processor. It has high volume of RAM. It has a huge hard disk. It has the motherboard that is working in a perfect way. Everything is great. And if you install Windows 98 or XP in that laptop, will it be able to use the laptop features at its optimum level? No, the answer will be no. And if I ask you that what will happen if you connect this laptop with the internet but you do not install antivirus? Yes, you are right. The laptop will get corrupt, right? It will either be hacked or it will hang a lot and it will not be able to function in a proper way. Don't you think the same is happening with our human brain? We have the latest hardware. Our brain is the latest hardware in the process of evolution. But we do not have the latest mind because most people do not work in upgrading their mind. They do not upgrade their mind, and that's the reason they live with the same kind of belief systems that worked maybe 50 years or 100 years back, but today they are outdated. Earlier, there was not so much of negativity, but right now, the world in which we exist, there are so many negative news and negative feeding that is going continuously 24 by 7. But do we have some kind of mental antivirus with which we can actually counter these negative things? Again, the answer is no. So that's the reason we need to understand about our human mind and we need to upgrade it. We need to learn that how we can upgrade our human software, this mind, and how we can develop a kind of antivirus which can protect us in the negative environment, which can keep us motivated so that we reach our goals. All these things are possible provided we start working on upgrading our human mind, our software. So brain is the hardware and mind is the software. I hope in this video you got the clarity that what exactly is the difference between brain and mind. In the next video, I will be explaining that what are the different levels of mind at which our mind works and how we can utilize that potential to create a difference in our life, right? So I'm excited to see you in the next video. Live the life that you deserve.